What's up everybody, welcome to the second iGraphics tutorial from the selfhip.com, and in this video we're going to pretty much teach you guys about drawing a circle, putting image on the screen, and many more. So first we're going to have to create the screen. So to do that we need to write down, we need to call a method which is iInitialize. The first parameter is the width of the screen. Let's just set it on 400 pixel, and the height of the screen is 400 pixel, and the title, and let's just set it on the self loop. So let's run it and see what happens. And as we can see that there are two windows has been created. One is the graphical window, another was is console, which you guys are already familiar with it. I believe you guys have finished, or you guys know how to do the C code, so you guys are pretty much familiar with the console. And this is the graphical window. Here, as we can see that the width is 400 pixel, the height is 400 pixel, and the title of the graphical window is the self loop. So that's what pretty much do the iInitialize. Now if you want to create a circle in the middle of this screen, the thing what we have to do is to call another method in iDraw. So to draw a circle, we call iCircle, and this method has three parameters. One is the position X, the second is position Y, and the third is the radius of the circle. So let's just write it down, and then I will explain how this parameter work. 200 pixel position X, 200 pixel position Y, and the radius is 50. Now let's run the code and let's see what happened. As you can see that there is a circle has been created at the center of the screen. And how does it work? From the bottom left corner of the screen, it traveled 200 pixel on the right and the 200 pixel at the top. So it's here. Then he created a circle with a 50 radius, and that's how it's pretty much work. So this point is 0, 0, and this point is pretty much 200 and 200. Now if we want to draw a rectangle, the things which we have to do is to call another method which is known as iRectangle. So to draw a rectangle, what we have to do is to call another method which is known as iRectangle, which also has four parameters. First is the position of X, position X 200 pixel, position Y 200 pixel. The width of the rectangle is 50. Suppose we're just considering the 50. You can take any value. Then the height of the rectangle. So let's see what happens. As you can see, the rectangle is not drawn in the middle, because from the bottom left corner of the screen, it traveled 200 pixel, and then traveled 200 pixel upward. Then he started to draw the rectangle from here. So then width, as we give the width of the rectangle is 50, so he traveled 50 pixel at the right and 50 pixel at the top, because we gave the height of the rectangle is 50. So, how we can centralize the thing? Well, the most of the game developer use technique is that subtract the half of the width from the position X and subtract half of the height of a rectangle from the position Y. We can centralize the rectangle or any images. So let's see how we can calculate it. Let's just bring my calculator for that. So as we know, the width of the rectangle is 50. Okay, then let's just divide it by 2, the half, make it half, 25. Now subtract this value from the position X. So 25 is 175. And also we have to do it for the height, so it will be almost the same because 50 divided by 2 is 25, and again 200 minus 25 is equals to 175. So let's just change this value and see what happened. See, you can see that the rectangle in the center. So that's how you can pretty much centralize the images um, in a specific point. Even if you want to make something like, if you click on that, the ball will follow the mouse cursor. You're gonna have to follow the same technique. Don't worry, I'll show this thing on the next the fourth one maybe. I'll show in the fourth tutorial maybe. So just wait till that, then I will show you guys how to do that. So that's pretty much I can tell about drawing the shapes. And there's one thing I would like to show you guys, that if you want to change the color of the rectangle or the circle, you can do that by another method, which is called the set color. It it takes three parameters, and those are the RGB values: so red, green, and blue. So if we just randomly give 50, 100, 120, 150, let's see what value it came in. So oh, it's blue. So almost blue or something. I'm really bad with the colors, so I don't know. But the color has been changed. So that's how you can do pretty much change the color of the shape, any shape you draw. So that's pretty much with the color. And there are more shapes you can draw for, at the iDraw in iDraw. So you can use the help of the iDoc, because here pretty much everything is written down there, that how you can draw a polygon, ellipse, circle, filled circle, everything is down there. So just read it down a bit, read it down for once, so you'll get you'll get it everything, because it's really easy and no rush. So just follow these steps. It will be much more easy. If you look at the method only for once, you'll understand, because you know the basic, so you can understand pretty much easier. So now we'll just learn. So now we're going to learn how you can pretty much get the image on your screen. So to do that, we know we have a method called the iShowBMP. It takes three parameters. One is the position X. First one is position X, suppose 200, and another one is the position Y, 200, and the location of the picture. So if you click on the open the project folder, I already have created an image folder, and in the folder I have pasted on a picture, and name it on Listen, because it's pretty much it's a picture of a character from the League of Legends, Listen. So the two important thing you really need to remember about the bitmap is in BMP format. And second thing is the height and width should be the power of 2. So you just can't give like 120 high width and 60 height, because if you do that, the image will be shattered, or sometimes it acts like weird. The image you have given, it will not show as the original one. So it's better, you should always set the height and width at the power of 2. And if you don't convert the image to bitmap, it will BMP format, it will not be allowed to load the image. So here the location. So all I have to do is just give the location there. So image double backslash listen dot bmp. Make sure you have to give the extension, otherwise it won't work. So be careful with it. So as we can see that the image has been loaded, and we can see the listen. So same thing, same technique. I know the width of this image is 256, so it will be 256 divided by 2 is 128. So 200 minus 128 is equals to 72. And I know the height of the image is 128, 64, so it will come down to 64, and 200 minus 64 is equals to 136. So if we do that, the image will be centralized. So let's see. Yeah, the image is centralized. So that's pretty much about the iDraw method. So if you guys don't understand the thing, just watch it over and again till you understand. Don't get frustrated. Trust me, guys. Um, at the end of the series, you can really develop a game. Just stick with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.